Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to WebBuddy. Today, we've got some exciting news about the latest addition to the smartphone world, the Nothing Phone 2A. This device is making waves with its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, especially in the realm of connectivity. Let's dive into the details of the Nothing Phone 2A and explore what sets it apart in the crowded smartphone market. 5G network technology. First and foremost, let's talk about speed. The Nothing Phone 2A comes equipped with 5G technology, ensuring lightning-fast connectivity for all your browsing, streaming, and gaming needs. Whether you are on the go or at home, the 5G capabilities of this device will keep you connected at unprecedented speeds. Design and build. Now, let's shift our focus to the design and build of the Nothing Phone 2A. With dimensions of 161.7 by 76.3 by 8.6 millimeters and weighing in at 190 grams, it strikes a perfect balance between a sleek profile and a substantial feel. The dual SIM support and IP54 splash, water, and dust resistance make it a durable companion for your daily adventures. Additionally, 3 LED lights on the back provide convenient notifications and act as a camera fill light. Display. Moving on to the display, the Nothing Phone 2A boasts a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with 1 billion colors. The 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and impressive brightness levels of 700 nits, 1100 nits, HBM, and 1300 nits peak ensure a stunning visual experience. The 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution, coupled with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and always-on display feature, guarantees clarity and durability. Performance. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 2A runs on Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro 4nm chipset. The octa-core CPU, featuring 2x2.8 GHz Cortex-A715 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A510, along with the Mali G610 MHz 4 GPU, ensures seamless performance for all your multitasking and gaming needs. Memory and storage. Storage-wise, the Nothing Phone 2A offers flexibility with options for 128GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 8GB RAM, and 256GB, 12GB RAM configurations. While there's no card slot for external storage, the generous internal options should cater to various user needs. Camera. Now, let's focus on the camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2A features a powerful dual camera system with a 50 megapixels wide lens and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Packed with features like LED flash, panorama, and HDR, this device promises impressive photography capabilities. On the front, a 32 megapixel selfie camera ensures you capture your best moments with clarity. Audio and connectivity. In the audio department, the Nothing Phone 2A comes with stereo speakers for an immersive sound experience. Unfortunately, there's number 3.5mm jack, but with the modern features like Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support, connectivity options are plentiful. Additional features. When it comes to additional features, the Nothing Phone 2A doesn't disappoint. It includes a range of sensors like the under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass, ensuring a secure and convenient user experience. Battery and charging. Last but not least, let's talk about power. The Nothing Phone 2A houses a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging. According to the company, you can get 50% battery in just 23 minutes and a full 100% charge in an hour. So, there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the Nothing Phone 2A. With its impressive 5G capabilities, sleek design, powerful camera setup, and fast charging, it's certainly a device worth considering. Are you excited about the Nothing Phone 2A? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, this is WebBuddy, signing